Good morning, welcome to my channel. I'm Scrapper D and we're going to dismantle a Bunn-O-Matic coffee maker. Let me find me a screw bucket. Pretty sure that's food grade stainless steel, and there's a lot of goody parts inside, I'm sure. Switches with silver. This would be a high quality machine. It's got 5 burners, warmers for the coffee pot, and this would not be a cheap machine. There's one burner. Got sand in it from the flood. It's a little gritty. We went riding for a short while on Labor Day weekend. My razor ended up overheating. We came home, but my stepson is out washing his. It got nice and dirty on the ride. I'm going to have to go get a smaller screwdriver. This big one won't stay in there. Maybe I can get a little bit further. A little more. There is a new YouTube channel that I stumbled across today, and it's called Scrap Jockey, as in jockey on a horse, except it's called Scrap Jockey. Y'all check him out. He had 11 subscribers when I subscribed, and he has good content. He has good content. Very enjoyable video. So y'all go check out Scrap Jockey. He's up in the New Jersey area, I think. And a lot of stuff he breaks down on site when he picks it up, so he can get more in his truck. He can stack heavier loads inside his truck. And I think he has a Toyota Tundra or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but I think it is. So yeah, he had 1,000 pounds on today. That's a good load for a small truck. Y'all go check him out and tell him Scrapper D sent you. Hope y'all had a good Labor Day weekend. Like I said, we tried to go ride some at a club that has 6,000 acres, and we ended up overheating, got towed back to the truck. Thought I had it figured out, but we ended up having to leave anyway. I've got something wrong with my cooling fan, or the relays that operate it. Not sure which one. I've got to get that checked out. so we can do some fall riding when the weather cools off a little. It's my favorite time. Spring and fall is my favorite time to ride. Absolutely favorite time to ride. Need to check these screws. They're probably stainless steel as well. This is still left over from the flood stuff I've been working on, and I have enough flood stuff. I'll be busy for a while. Went and picked up some small stuff the other day. Y'all didn't get to see that. I was at a fellow law enforcement officer's house, and I respect their privacy and don't record. Y'all got a headache now? Sorry about that. I gotta drop the screw. There it is. That might be a stainless steel screw. That's a stainless steel panel. I just put it in there for our aluminum. That may be aluminum. It felt kind of light. Anyway, I'll go through this bucket, pull out any and all stainless steel. See if this has a This don't have a date on it. Model number RT. Copper, stainless, or aluminum one. Oh, it's got some good goodies on it. It's got some awesome goodies on it. Brass and copper and all kinds of stuff. So are these burners, these elements worth scrapping, saving and scrapping separately? What's y'all's thoughts on that? What do they have, iridium in them, or I don't even remember what they have in them, Inconel or something. Palladium? Maybe not. Got a lot of good wiring in there. Well, I'm gonna have to run, folks. I've got to run to our church and take care of some stuff. I'll go ahead and get this burner off, and I'll check back with you when I start back on it. We'll start stripping it in when I come back. I've got to go pick up, supposed to go pick up some scrap this evening if they don't cancel on me. They've canceled a few times. Hope all's well with them. Maybe everything will be okay. Goodness. This must be a really hot element, the way it's wired in. I'm not real sure. Looks like brass legs coming off of it. Almost looks like brass screws. Maybe that's just stainless steel that's been hot. Yeah, I believe that's a hot one there. I'll have to check and see what that is. That's brass or copper or something. All right, I've got to run. I'll check back in when I come back, start working on the Bunn-O-Matic again. Picked up some wire and stuff too this weekend, more wire. Go with my wired hoard, my savings account, I call it. Leave my gloves here. Won't need them where I'm going. Got anything in here that's, oh yeah, Monster Energy. Not sponsored by Monster, but I do like to drink it. All right, I'll see you guys later. Adios. All right, folks, I'm back out here on the coffee pot. The Bunn-O-Matic. Went and picked up some more stuff. I've got at least 3 loads of metal, 2 loads of metal, and then a load of aluminum here that I need to desperately get rid of. I'm going to get a whole trailer load of aluminum tomorrow morning with copper and brass and all kinds of goodies. Hey Ralph, meet Ralph, my new pet. Ralph, whoop, come here baby, come here. You finding all kinds of bugs in there, ain't you, man? Huh? You finding all kinds of bugs. Yeah, I talk to my pets. All right. We're getting to the good stuff. One cord. See if I can get this electrical connector off. I'm gonna have to have a hammer, it's pretty tight. Oh. Alright, this will be some brass and stuff. And this contact with some silver contacts on it. My shelf fell that I had up there. Too much weight on it. I knew better. I should have done better. Alrighty, let's see. Spiders, get out of there. Let me get a socket out here. It looks like a 1/2 inch, but I bet it's a 7/16. Yeah, 7/16. 1/2 inch. What am I talking about? No 1/2 inch bolts on a coffee pot, is it? Let's see here. This coffee pot reminds me of Backyard Strapping's coffee pot warmer plates he uses. I've got one that I was thinking of him when I got it. I wonder if he could use a Bunn. Oh, I take that back. That's got 9/16 bolts on this coffee pot. That's a 9/16 bolt. Looks like, yeah, I don't have the, I guess I could go old school and actually use a ratchet. Man, that'd be tough, won't it? Have to use a ratchet. Oh, that's 5/8. I think. Let me break out this one and see if that goes on there. 9/16 barely fits it. Pretty sure that's what it is. No, it's 5/8. Excuse me. That off when I get it out. I can get to it better. Let's see here. There's some more flats down here. I'll get a magnet and check all this stuff shortly. There's 2 screws I forgot. Didn't see. What a glare. That glare is pretty rough on you guys, I'd say, ain't it? Let me see if I can turn around. Get this off the table. I was just being lazy. Now, maybe that's better. Better for you seeing with if I don't drop the screwdriver. All right. Oh, let me turn it over and see if I can find some more screws. Well, I'm gonna need a wrench. I just happened to bring a wrench. What if I brought a 5/8? Really wasn't thinking I'd need a 5/8. It's bad for the Bahamas and Florida with that Hurricane Dorian. I hope everybody's okay. Really do. Copper and brass. Break that off. All right, got some good copper and brass. Still got some more good copper in here. See, I don't know if this will open up. It won't open up big enough for that one. Let's see. All right. She needs to be unhooked from the bottom, folks. tell you what, I've got a pair of cutters for that instead of fighting it. I guess that's got a connector on it. I got a question. It's kind of a weird question. It's kind of off the scrap type question. It's not scrap related. Do mosquitoes bother y'all? I am literally getting ate up right now, and it's not even night time. Mosquitoes absolutely love me. I hate putting that spray on, but if I don't, I'll be broke out from head to toe with bumps, and I'll get sick feeling. One's already bit me on the shoulder, and it's really aggravating me. Oh, let's see if I can scratch it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig out the bug spray, unfortunately. Break the copper. Wonder what their filters are made out of. Looks like brass. All right. The water tank is out. I believe it's aluminum. That is a pretty cool little tank there. Don't sound very healthy. It's full of something. It is full of something. Well, those are magnetic because my little screwdriver is magnetic and it picked them up. Well, I don't know how that electrical block comes off. Oh, I gave y'all another headache. I'm sorry. Hey, Ralph. He likes to come out and explore around and then come in. We're getting her cleared out. There we go. Get her done. Smash and bash till you get it out, right? Alright. Quite a bit of wiring in this coffee pot. Heavier wiring at that. I have a lot of stuff to load up and get out of here. Kitty, kitty. Ah, there's screws right there. That detaches bottom, I bet. I didn't see them earlier. Here, kitty, kitty. Come here, Ralph. All right, missed one over here again. Okay. We're about to get this beast apart, folks. Still got a few more things to remove. Little flat nuts. Look at there. Got her. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. All right. Whoop. One more shrew. That is a timer. Won't know about this stuff till I take it apart. That would be the wire and miscellaneous switches out of a Bunn coffee maker. One of the old style Bunn-O-Matics. It's good stuff. Turn this around, zip these screws out here that holds the top on. Let's see. It's about a 3/8. Let's see. Yep, 3/8. On the nose. I think that's just regular old steel. Them are just regular old steel. Magnetic. But I believe this is all stainless steel. As well as this. Oh, that is a big spider. Goodness. Goodness, that's a big spider. Dead spider. I don't like spiders. All right. Let's go get a magnet, folks. See what we got. Maybe get some bug spray. There it is. I'm gonna get some bug spray first. I hope y'all closed your eyes. A trusty old magnet here. Stainless. Food grade stainless, folks. The good kind. The real deal. Pickle. It's all stainless. Even the stainless steel. Not stainless steel. Let's see. Stainless steel. Even them screws are stainless steel. I kind of thought they were. I've got that big stainless cooler bin, which is covered in copper. I know I've showed that to y'all before. I'm not sure if it's made it into a video yet, but I'm going to use that to hold all my stainless until even them screws are stainless. I'm going to use that big trough. I'm going to turn it over. It's got drainage on both ends. I'll put all my stainless in it until I get a big stack of it and carry it off. This I'm pretty sure is aluminum. I could be wrong. You know what? Even them nuts are either brass or stainless. I bet them nuts are brass. The only thing that's metal is these wire connectors right here. So that's good stuff. I don't know what's inside that tank. Something is. Wow. These nuts must be brass or stainless one. They look like brass. These are brass nuts inside this bucket. That is amazing. Stainless. So yeah, it was worth tearing that coffee pot apart. Here's some more of it right here. I have a feeling that's metal, but that ain't. And that looks like brass. These legs that's coming off of it are brass. Hey, Ralph. That's metal. But this is not. It looks like it's rusting, but that's just the rust off of no sticky. So it's good stuff. Take these off because they are brass. But that is not. That is not. All right. Dig my brass out. See if this little nut's magnetic. Yep. That's it. Them are stainless steel. I'll leave them. That nut's brass. These are brass. Ralph, it was a pretty good little scrap out, wasn't it, buddy? Huh? You have got something on your forehead, boy. Looks like a cricket. All right, folks, thank you for watching. I'm gonna save these switches and stuff till this winter, when it gets cold, set inside with some heat on and just break all that stuff down and take all the silver out of it and everything. So goodness, thank you for watching. Y'all are awesome.
Wow.